Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate adjust attribution for iOS and Android apps, complete guide step by step. To activate adjust attribution for your iOS and Android apps, start by logging into your navigate to the settings section on the left sidebar. In the settings menu, select attribution. Locate the iOS attributions section first. Enable the iOS attestation option. Provide the necessary App Store details, including your app ID. Next, scroll down to the Android Attributions section. Activate the Android attribution by toggling the settings. Enter your package name as required. Now, navigate to the SDK tab on the sidebar. Download the latest Adjust SDK for your respective platform. Integrate the downloaded SDK into your application code. Follow the integration instructions specific to iOS or Android. Once the SDK is integrated, open your app project in your preferred development environment. For iOS, ensure you have included the necessary dependencies in your pod file. For Android, confirm that the Gradle files are set up correctly. Test the integration by running your app on a physical device. Monitor the Adjust dashboard for initial data to verify proper attribution. Lastly, review the attribution settings regularly to ensure everything is set correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.